Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most common mistakes that I hear from my students: be used to and used to. What is the difference? Let's get into it. Use be used to talk about something that you're so familiar or comfortable with that it feels very normal to you. For example, I'm used to making YouTube videos. At first, I wasn't very comfortable, wasn't very familiar with it. But after doing many videos, now I can say I am used to making YouTube videos. Notice how I'm pronouncing used to. I'm not saying used to because that's a little difficult to say. So most native speakers pronounce it as used to, omitting the d sound in used. In terms of grammar, be used to can be followed by one of three things. Notice in my example, I said, I'm used to making YouTube videos. I'm used to making YouTube videos. So the first thing is ing. Again, for example, I'm used to making YouTube videos. Secondly, be used to can be followed by a noun. For example, are you used to AI yet? Lastly, be used to can be followed by a noun phrase. For example, I'm still not used to my new job. In addition to be used to, we often use get used to as well. Use get used to talk about the process of becoming familiar or comfortable with these things or situations. For example, it took me a few months to get used to my new job. Or, I hope I get used to using AI soon. Now, used to, on the other hand, we use this to talk about a situation that you were in or something that you did regularly in the past, but not anymore. For example, I used to live in Tokyo. Now, in terms of grammar, used to is always followed by a verb. As in my example, I used to live in Tokyo. I used to live in Tokyo. Another example, I used to be a music teacher. Now, in my explanation, I also mentioned that used to is used for regular activities or repeated activities in the past that are no longer true or no longer happening. For example, I used to take piano lessons as a kid. Or in Tokyo, I used to eat sushi every Sunday. Now, we have to be careful when we use used to in the negative because we no longer use used to, we use used to. So I didn't used to. Now, the pronunciation, of course, is the same because we never pronounce used to. Okay. But be careful when you're writing. Okay. So instead of used, it is use. For example, I didn't used to like olives. True story. Now I love them. Now, we also have to be careful when we make questions with used to. Like the negative, it's not used, but used to. For example, did they used to own a restaurant? Now, for some practice. I have 6 sentences, and your task is to fill in the blank with the correct answer. Is it be used to? Is it get used to? Is it used to? And also be careful because there are some negatives and questions also. Good luck. If you said getting used to, that is correct. Please repeat. Sophie is slowly getting used to speaking German. The correct answer here, used to. Please repeat. My mother used to work in a bank. Now, this one is a question, so the correct answer here is used to. U-S-E-T-O, not used. Used to. Please repeat. Did you used to play any sports when you were a kid? Now, here we have a negative sentence, so our correct answer is used to. U-S-E-T-O. Please repeat. Sunny didn't used to like traveling overseas. For this one, we have another question. So the correct answer is used to. U-S-E-T-O. Not used to, but used to. Please repeat. What did you used to do for fun when you were in high school? And for the final one, the correct answer is used to. U-S-E-D-T-O. Used to. Please repeat. Enrique's not really used to Excel or PowerPoint. Now, let's see how you do with a few bonus questions. Good luck. Well, thanks everybody for watching. I hope now you can tell the difference between used to, get used to, and be used to. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content and you find it helpful. If you think the video would help somebody else, please share the video. Okay, I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.